Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to download a Google Sheets spreadsheet as a Microsoft Excel file. Right, so if you want to use or edit a Google Sheets spreadsheet in an Excel file, you have the option to download the Google Sheets spreadsheet as an XLSX file, which is a Microsoft Excel file. And it's really easy to do. All you have to do is open up the Google Sheets spreadsheet you want to download as an Excel file. Then in the menu bar, click on File, go to Download here, and from the list here select Microsoft Excel. Then all we have to do is find the folder you want to download this Google Sheets spreadsheet file as a Microsoft Excel file. Then once you found the folder, just click on Save. As you can see, download started. And now if we go to the folder, as we can see, the project management sheet has been downloaded as an Excel file. So we can open this with our Microsoft Excel file. So keep in mind that some feature might not work in the Microsoft Excel file, but a lot of features and functions are compatible with Excel. But all in all, this is how you can download a Google Sheets spreadsheet as a Microsoft Excel file. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.